We could jokingly say 2 plus 2 equals 5, but this is not actually an equation. So I'm going to check it off. The reason this is not an equation is that the quantities on either side of the equal sign are not actually equal to one another. We know that 2 plus 2 equals 4, and we know that 4 is not equal to 5. So this is not a true equation. We can do the same check on this equation right here. Once again, since 2 plus 2 equals 4, that means we have 4 equals 4, which is an equation, so we won't check this answer choice. N plus 2 equals n plus 3 is a little bit trickier. Now, what is the problem here? I'll go ahead and tell you that this is an answer that you should have selected. The issue is that no matter what value you substitute in for n, the two sides of this equation will never be equal to one another. The right-hand side, that says n plus 3, will always be one larger than the left-hand side. So for example, if we let n equal 0, then we have 0 plus 2 equals 0 plus 3, which leaves us with 2 equals 3, and that is not true. A similar thing will happen no matter what number you plug in for n. The same thing is not true of this equation, 1 plus n plus 1 equals n plus 2. In fact, the opposite is true. No matter what value we substitute in for n here, this equation will always be true. This is a special kind of equation that we'll talk about in just a second.